Is it a greenhouse or a glasshouse? Well, it's only £5. Hi, welcome to Model Trains. A few months back I came across an article from Dapol about their new laser cut card kits. One in particular caught my attention, the O Gauge greenhouse, part number 7B006003. But instead of using it for O Gauge, I had another idea. Why not repurpose it as a Glasshouse or Orangery for a Dapol O Gauge layout? Historically, orangeries were 17th to 19th century glass buildings designed to protect citrus trees during winter. This is a very affordable kit, easy to build, and depending on the glue you use, it can be completed in just a few hours. For me, it combines two hobbies, gardening and model rail. Unlike some Dapol O greenhouse models that are resin cast and just plonked onto a layout, this O Gauge kit lets you build and customize it yourself. At this size, fitting panels and glazing is straightforward, and even if you're not confident with fiddly bits, this one feels very achievable. Dapol have invested heavily in their new equipment at their Chirk facility to design and manufacture these kits in the UK. Marketed under the Kitmaster Genesis brand, they're laser cut from fine self-coloured card, and all the injection molded or 3D printed accessories are included, the glazing, etc. Some even come with printed interior decoration. All you need is glue. Although they're described as card kits, in practice it feels more like working with scale wooden panels. Each kit also has full online assembly instructions. The build was genuinely enjoyable, with a sense of satisfaction as each stage came together. The only real giveaway of its O Gauge origins is a slightly larger front door, but with the colour I chose, it's barely noticeable. And you can position the door however you like, open, closed, or even replaced with a shutter. It's your model, so let your imagination lead the way. For just £5, Dapol's O Gauge greenhouse makes it an excellent Dapol O glasshouse. It's made in Great Britain, affordable, customisable, and satisfying to build. Whether you want it on a layout or simply as a static display piece, I can wholeheartedly recommend it. It's also the perfect extra to tag on to your next model shop order, especially to nudge free postage or give yourself a small project for those long winter nights. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.